Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this compound miter saw from Parkside, the model PKS 1500 C4, for precisely cutting wood and plastic. Power consumption 1500 watts, tilt adjustment from 0 degrees to 45 degrees, miter adjustment minus 45 degrees to plus 45 degrees, cutting length max 120 mm, cutting height max 60 mm and 35 mm at 45 degrees. Saw blade diameter 210 mm with 48 teeth, pre-mounted, with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included we have the manual. If you want to read it, your choice, but stay with me, you're going to find out all about this product. Allen key for replacing the disc, 2 3A batteries for the laser line, another small Allen 3 mm, 3 workpiece supports, 2 the same diameter and another one smaller, the dust bag. You can install it here or you can install your vacuum. 2 carbon brushes, replacements for the motor. That is all about for the accessories. Here we have the handle. You can move around the miter saw. 3 meters of cable, the release lever, just pull and release, the on-off switch. You need to press on the safety switch here and press the on-off switch and start work. And of course you can lock the miter saw, it doesn't move, unlock and lock again. At the front we have the guard for the disc, there it is. The locking button for the disc. If you want to replace the disc, press the lock button and it will lock the disc. Then with the Allen key you can remove the disc. But before removing the disc you need to remove the guard. There is one screw here. There it is. Guard is removed. Disc is locked, and with the Allen key you can remove the disc if you want and replace it after a long time. And again, it is very easy to install the guard. There is one metal plate here, needs to go inside this screw. Perfect. At the back we have this red knob. It is for the adjustment, 45 degrees. You need to remove the clamping device and adjust 45 degrees. Here we have the degrees from 0, 15, 30, 45 degrees. Adjust find the right position and then lock the screw. The clamping device, you can install it left or right. Unscrew this screw and then tighten it, find the right position, make the final adjustments. Another huge knob here, up and down. Wherever you want, what is more suitable for you. And at the front, of course, we have the rotary table, 45 degrees left and 45 degrees at the right. Here is the locking screw for the rotary table. Unscrew. And then you can adjust (45), 31.6, 30, 22.5, 15, 10, 5, 0, and the same, left and right. After finding the right position, in the middle, let's say, screw very well this knob and then it will not move. We have end 4 screw holes, 2 and 2 left and right. You can mount it permanently at any workspace, at any countertop. Soft grip here, I like it, on a black and green color, silver at the table. We have centimeter here from 0 to 20. And of course you can install this workpiece support, left and right. With the small Allen key, first remove the screw. And then install the support. The same in here. And at the back you can install the stand bracket. First we need to remove one small screw. And that was all. Now let's plug it in, and of course here we can install the batteries. For the laser. And of course we have an on-off switch here for the laser. Alignment very well at the 0. And now let's move on outdoors to cut a wood. That is the most important, to find out how well it can cut a wood. have tested on many different types of wood. The results are amazing, straight, smooth cuts at an angle or in a straight line. The laser line is very accurate at the center of the rotary table. In the past I made a video with the oldest model, and I can say the Parkside has evolved over the years and makes better tools. You can make amazing cuts in a wood for just 70 euros. Thank you for watching. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.